Hey, before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Now let's get back to the video. Today, we will be making a donation GUI. Add a screen GUI into the starter GUI, and then a text button into the screen GUI. You can customize the button however you want. Make sure to rename the button to Donation Button. Add a frame into the screen GUI. This will be what pops up when someone clicks the button. Then you can customize the rest. Add a text label into the frame, then drag it onto the frame. Now add a button into the frame. Rename the frame to Donation Frame. You can customize the rest of the button however you want. Add a value into the button and rename it to Product ID. Then create a developer product. Then copy and paste the ID into the value spot in the product ID. Go down to the donation button and add a local script, then type what I type. Now add a local script into the button inside of the frame. Write what I write. Now uncheck the visible check mark inside of the frame. But before we test it, let me show you how to make another button. Go back into the frame and check visible. Then duplicate the text button inside of the frame. Then change the product ID to the new developer product you made. Then you can customize the button. Now click play to test it. It works.